Yo boys, this is how you get the dog. If you want the dog in Grow a Garden, this is how you get it. So make sure you like the video, subscribe, and also if you would like to have yourself a pepper seed, comment down below pepper, because I'll be gifting one pepper seed in this video alone to you guys, so you can actually have yourself one pepper seed for yourself. And we got the dog. Look at the dog. Look at the doggy. The doggy doesn't really do anything. It's a golden lab. The golden lab age 1. So somehow we have to like give him food. How do we give him food? Like, he already grew. Oh, we can put him down. There you go. Put him down, and now we can feed him. So now you have to feed the dog, right? You have to feed the dog, grow him up, feed. You can feed him any fruit. Okay, so first of all, I'm not gonna feed him this fruits because these fruits are kinda expensive. I don't know, it's like a expensive snack for this dog. But if I can give him a strawberry, right? I can give him a strawberry. There you go. Where's the doggy? Doggy, where's the doggy at? Doggy. Feed. Wait, feed. Okay. Okay, there you go. We feed him. We feed him. We can also pick him up, and you can put him down on your base, pretty much. And how you can actually get these dogs on your base is what you want to do right now is go over to the pet eggs, and you should get yourself some pet eggs, because when you get these pet eggs, you can just grow your dogs. You know, you can just put your dogs down, grow them up, and they will give you special abilities. Yo, what is he eating? What is he even eating, bro? Is he eating my fruits? Don't eat my fruits. Yo, he's eating my fruits. Okay, what are these like falling things, bro? Like I have never seen these things before. Bro, this dog is going crazy. Oh my god. Alright, I got a bunch of dogs on my farm right now, and I have to grow them up, because otherwise he will not give me anything good. Right now, 10% chance of dig up a random seed. Okay. So he's giving me random seeds. This dog is giving me random seeds. That is insane. This is how pretty much dogs works, okay? This is how dogs works.